Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat pinjasliang Umrupa Premium Meghalaya ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore ka khot admission nagmenta ka nursing but paramedical course ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council ka buy admission ka badunatam but 6% ka jingyokam pila ru ban apply da ka education loan
Daka babu akhamat yakathong ban penthama yakarukom thap vote Hakari India barokaway. Ka Election Commission of India kalapan kre ban penmi ino daka ECINET kabalong ka digital platform balashna panmandur ban pensuk yakinong thap vote bat ikiwe kiwe kinhun kibapen bat kibapenya yakajing pelong yaki election. Hakajing kram pikala apathai kubor haka santri ujumang aja pesan. Chief Electoral Officer ka Jilla Dr. BDR Tiwari ulapin bena baka ECINET kan ajing syakri yakinong thap vote yakinong penya election yaki seng san perthai haka ba kila ban pen yakinu kam kibaya day baka election
to subsume over existing 40 IT apps with enhanced UI UX. So new app will be known as the ECINET to facilitate electoral services for citizens, seamless, convenient data handling for electoral officers. So this act is a very new initiative and it has already reached in the advanced stage of development and rigorous trials are being conducted to ensure smooth functionality, ease of use and robust cyber security measures. It is being developed after an elaborate consultative exercise involving 36 CEOs of all state UTs, 767 district election officers and 4,123 electoral registration officers of their state UTs, and after receiving 76 publications comprising 900 pages of electoral framework, instructions and handbook issued by ECI from time to time. So the data provided through ECINET will be strictly aligned with the legal framework established by the Representation of the People Act 1950 and 51, Registration of the Electoral Rules 1960 and Conduct of Election Rules 1961, and instruction issued by Election Commission of India time to time. So there is the list of 40 existing ECI applications. So list is already been given here. So it involves the affidavit portal, India web, result website, election 24 hour ka ECI sweep, ECI website, Ambosa, Viasnet, Myth versus Reality, election trend, TVC whistle portal, EMS, Incor, media voucher, Suvidha, observer portal, election planning, IEMS, PPR, TMS, ERONet 2, voter service portal, service voters portal, ETPBMS, NGSP, electoral search, ERONet app, BLO app, CVGIL app, Decider app, Import Nodal app, ESMS app, Investigator app, KYC app, Monitor app, Observer app, Saksham app, Suvidha app, Voter Helpline app and Voter Turnout app. So this is the list of the different IT tools being in the public domain for the different type of the users. So that will be comprised in one ECINET's framework. As per the EPIC's Aadhaar linking is concerned, it is optional till date as per the legal framework given in the purview of the verdict of Honorable Supreme Court. So but since Aadhaar is linked with so many facilities, we are also requesting the voter they should link their voter ID card with Aadhaar, but till time it is optional and this service is through the EROs they can avail that. So in respect to the duplicate EPICs are concerned, so there are 524 cases has been identified in the Meghalaya. All 524 has been allowed with the new EPIC number. This is the matter where the same EPIC number, but it has been found in the different state with the same EPIC but the two persons name. So that has been rectified and on the initiative of Honorable Election Commission of India, the detailed exercise has been conducted and they identified all the duplicates. They have been allotted new epic number, and all 524 epic card has been downloaded and delivered to them. I am just telling it. It is in respect to the same, and mostly it is out of the state. Within state we rectify. We find out the same epic number is not been allotted to the two persons. But since this exercise at the country is so vast and big, it is very difficult immediately to. So in the due process, there are very few numbers. Like in term of Meghalaya, we found 524. So all states have taken up this exercise, but now it has been identified and new epic number has been given. No, basically all these this exercise, they are already voted here. Our voter, if they are then on the epic card, if the new epic number is being generated, then old epic number is also in these kind of cases is mentioned in that particular epic. That provision has been made, and accordingly these new epics are made and delivered to you.
So these 524 are the ones which interstate.
Interstate.